Bye! Hi guys! So, first of all, I'm going to comment the fact that I am really sick. I don't know what I got. I think I got the flu. I think there's a frog in my throat. I don't know. I really don't. But actually, compared to yesterday, it's actually a lot better. Don't mind my voice. But as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow out my hair. It's actually pretty humid up here, which is why it's like more frizzy or like on the top. If you guys know, my hair is actually really curly, but like sometimes I just be really tired of like keeping it curly. Like I'm just one of those people who likes to do like new things. Plus I'm having this showcase this week and it's an Afro-Caribbean dance, and I feel like this is gonna go well with like the dance. I don't know, so I was like, I'll just blow out my hair this week. Why not? So I'm gonna take you guys along on this journey. Wow, I really actually haven't had a sit down video in like forever. But let me stop talking and let's get right on to this video. Lego. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing my hair now. So I washed my hair like 2 days ago and was with the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. I haven't done a review on this, but like honestly, it's actually really good. Like I recommend it. So I'm gonna take off this nest. And fun fact, I only really use like scrunchies for my hair just because like it's less damaging to my hair. So when I washed my hair, I didn't put any leave-in conditioner. I didn't put any other thing other than the shampoo and conditioner, only because like it was kind of pointless. Okay, so I'm gonna part my hair with a wide tooth comb. If you don't have a wide tooth comb, I definitely recommend it, especially if you have curly hair. It's important. So I'm gonna part my hair down the middle, and then I'm just gonna put this one, and then so like you can honestly do it however you want. Just for me, this is the easier way. So I'm going to brush it out because it's tangled. Like my hair is actually like a lot longer than it looks, but like shrinkage. I'm going to get heat protected because I'm really not trying to mess up my curls anymore. Heat Tamer Tresemme one. Actually, I was looking at the ingredients because you know, and this has like a methicone, things that are not supposed to be in our hair, but this is the only one I got, and I have to protect my hair because, you know, so I'm just gonna use it. Don't mind my voice either, it's just I shouldn't have even filmed this video. And then I'm gonna focus it a lot on the ends because like my ends are really like dry. Just start blow drying it, and this one is the, I don't know, it's just a blow dryer, Hot Shot Tools one, and yeah, it's just a regular blow dryer, ain't nothing special. Also have a little like thing just so it's easier to do my hair. I should have brought a brush down, but I'm not going all the way downstairs. I know I got time for that. I think this is called like the pulling method or something. I really don't remember, but it's like where you just pull your hair like this and then shh type of thing. Got these cute clips at the dollar store. They're really cute. Okay, I'm not gonna sit here and say like I'm a professional and a blowout person. Like I don't know how to professionally blow out my hair or anyone else's hair. I just do it off what I know. It looks uneven. My hair is gonna look uneven. I did get a diva cut, so it's not meant to be like straightened or like blown out or anything like that, but I just don't care. Okay guys, so my niece is here. Say hi. This is my niece Bella. Say hi. I did her makeup and she kind of messed up mine, but it's okay because it's a good time. Okay guys, so I'm not even close to being done, honestly. I always forget like this always takes such a long time, and I always think it's gonna take like 10 minutes, but like I have a lot of hair and pray for me, okay? Half of the way done. This is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to do it because I don't have my like rolly brush, the one I think you guys know what I'm talking about. I don't know where it's at and I couldn't find it. It was easier to do it that way, but I don't know where it's at. So I've just been using these combs and then like my Denman brush. So this is my hair. It's very big and crazy. It's pretty humid up here, which is why it's like frizzy on this part. So I'm actually really into my big hair. Like at first I used to be very self-conscious. What? At first I used to be like hella self-conscious about it because I'm like, oh my god, the big hair. But like honestly, like I look like a lion and that's okay. Like we need to embrace our big frizzy lioness hair because that's just how it be. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video because it's a great time. Douches.